An emerging professional is someone that's been identified by their industry peers as having the potential to be a future leader.
Someone very young in their career, but yet they recognize the importance that ASTM and ASTM standards have or impact on their industries. Someone who is eager to learn about ASTM, about the process, and is someone who wants to be engaged because they recognize how they can make contributions to ASTM standards development.
Someone who has started in a career path and is hoping to continue along that path.
I was approached by my mentor, who's actually retiring, and he's like, you know, I really think that you could benefit from this Emerging Professionals program, and he was right.
We're relying on our technical committee leaders to identify members that are, again, young in their career that they view as promising.
ASTM selects 6 candidates out of all of the nominees to come to a committee week where we host a one-day workshop. And as part of that workshop, we have ASTM staff that reviews the consensus process and the committee operations to give them a really in-depth understanding of ASTM.
We learned a lot about the technical aspects of writing or developing an ASTM standard.
It was also interesting to think about leadership in the standard development process.
You have the world's greatest experts in the room, in their field, and yet they are so approachable.
And to have those connections and to be able to reach out with them with questions, you just can't match that.
You get a sense for the people, the real people that are involved in ASTM.
The biggest takeaway is just that they're not in this alone.
Their voice matters, and that all of these great experts who have been around for many, many years, they started out like you're starting out now.
By attending the Emerging Professionals workshop meetings and the training that I got there, I feel like you get multiple people on a problem and you bring to light all the different challenges, and that makes the standard better.
It cleared up a lot of insecurities and unknowns that I had.
And so I really think they take away all of these different tools.
It's given me the confidence to understand how the process works and to understand what's expected of me.
We do follow up with the emerging professionals after the workshops. We are in contact through email and then also LinkedIn. And we have found that we've already built personal relationships.
We're seeing a lot of them come back, and now they're paying their own way to attend the ASTM meetings, and we're starting to see some of them make positive contributions.
We can step in and participate and really start to have an impact and grow.
They have to walk away from that first experience and say, I want to come back. And that's really the impression that we want to leave with them. We want them to say to themselves, I can't wait for the next ASTM meeting.